Can one smart solution simplify car ownership? Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we'll discuss a smarter way to own a Maruti Suzuki car, which will simplify your life. Introducing the new Maruti Suzuki App, your all-in-one car app. A do-it-all digital companion that brings together personalized reminders, everyday services, and smart features, all designed for elevated convenience, innovation, and accessibility. You also get exclusive offers, adding more value to every service experience. Want to know your car's next service cost? Use the Service Cost Calculator. Need more convenience? Enjoy your hassle-free car pickup and drop for your car. And here's a smart feature. The app uses AI to suggest the most convenient time slots, so your experience is smooth and effortless. And if you want to book a service, just follow simple steps shown here. Now imagine if everything was sorted before you even stepped in. With the do-it-yourself feature, you can pre-fill service needs via chat or by voice instructions. Need even more convenience? Track your car's service status in real time with live updates. Approve service estimates right from your phone and share your feedback through the Maruti Suzuki app to help us serve you better. And now, to secure your car's future with ease, purchase extended warranty and customer convenience package directly through the Maruti Suzuki app. And in addition to this, you can buy genuine accessories directly. But that's not all. The app helps you for your mobility convenience as well. In case of emergency, get roadside assistance in real time. You can find parking spots with live updates. And you can locate nearby PUC centers or fuel stations and so much more, anytime, anywhere. From challan tracking and payments to insurance and PUCC expiry reminders, the Maruti Suzuki app is your one-stop solution for all consumer mobility needs and beyond. Get expert guidance for any queries with our interactive Gen AI-powered S-assisted box. Access customized driving tips, maintenance advice, and new offerings from Maruti Suzuki tailored to you. Download the Maruti Suzuki app now. Have a car-related topic in mind? Drop down your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay smart, stay informed.